Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest and expert-level reviews. Today, we're diving into a product that's a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their oral care routine, the Philips Sonicare Cordless Power Flosser 3000. Complete with innovative quad stream technology. This isn't just another water flosser. It promises a more thorough clean with up to 9 times the coverage of traditional single-stream flossers. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. This cordless power flosser features quad stream technology, which releases 4 streams of water to penetrate deep between your teeth and beneath the gum line, reaching areas that are often missed with regular floss. The result? A cleaner, healthier smile. The design is ergonomic, slim, and lightweight, making it easy to hold, whether you're using it at the sink or in the shower. It's portable and convenient with an 8-ounce water reservoir that provides a full minute of flossing without needing to refill. In terms of performance, I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say, it's impressive. The quad stream does exactly what it promises. Not only does it cover more surface area, but it's also gentle enough on sensitive gums. What I like about this flosser is how customizable it is. It has 2 modes, a clean mode, which provides consistent water pressure with brief pauses every 15 seconds, and a deep clean mode with pulse wave, increasing and decreasing intensity for a deeper clean. It's like a mini professional treatment right at home. One thing I was skeptical about was the claim that it's 150% more effective than floss at improving gum health. After using it regularly, I can confidently say that my gums feel healthier, and I noticed a decrease in plaque buildup after just a few uses. The 99% plaque removal below the gum line is definitely not a gimmick. It works. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this product offers a solid return on investment. It's not the cheapest flosser out there, but when you compare it to other high-end models or the cost of frequent dental cleanings, it's a reasonable option. The USB charging feature is a bonus, as it allows you to floss up to 14 days on a single charge. There are some trade-offs though. The water tank could be larger for longer flossing sessions, especially if you have a more extensive routine. You may find yourself refilling halfway through if you like a thorough clean, but this is a minor inconvenience given the results. In comparison to other popular water flossers, the Philips Sonicare stands out for its quad stream technology, which provides superior coverage and a gentler experience. While other models may use single stream water pressure, this one covers far more surface area, making it more effective at cleaning hard-to-reach spots. As for build quality, it feels premium, sturdy, sleek, and well-designed. It's also waterproof, so you can easily take it into the shower without worrying about damage. If you're someone who's tried other water flossers without much success, or if you're just looking for a way to upgrade your daily oral care routine, the Philips Sonicare Cordless Power Flosser 3000 is definitely worth considering. Its combination of performance, design, and convenience is hard to beat. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching today's review. You can find the link to purchase the Philips Sonicare Cordless Power Flosser 3000 in the comments or description box. If you've used this product or a similar one, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.